Sorry. Well, market opens in 6 minutes, 5 minutes now. We got 12 seconds left on this candle. Let's get our daily profile, see where we expect the market to go today. Off the rip on ES, I see that we have four-hour time frame. Looks like we have equal highs up here. Genuinely do not care about equal highs on ES. Genuinely. Sometimes it just don't mean nothing at all. Have this obvious buy side draw right there. Have that obvious buy side. Also have this 4-hour gap. Also have LRL coming down on the higher time frame. So let's drop down to the 1 hour to see if we can see what else is happening. Seems like we're generating some liquidity here. Same thing with ES. Do have those relative equal highs. In a 1 hour, inside of a 1 hour gap. LRL below. Drop down to the 15-minute. Have this clear low. Have a 15-minute gap. Have this clear low with the 15-minute gap below as well. Have this 15-minute right here with a 4-hour buy side draw above. So if we work our way through this 15-minute gap, we're more than likely going to come up and take that 4-hour. Will happen today. Not too sure if we'll run all the way up there, but that's just the next draw. But if anything, we do have that. I think this is London high right here. This would probably be the London high. London low seems to be right there, and then London high. Yeah. We have this low right here in that 15-minute gap. So we'll just see what happens. I mean, I'm really not a big fan of these buys either. Not a big fan of the sells either. So we'll see. Not much of a big fan of anything that's setting up today. Yeah, not a big fan of anything. We took out this low. So on ES, we did have a bunch of stacked lows here, but now we don't have that on ES. So on NQ, I'm really not a big fan of anything here, honestly. Not a big fan. Have about 2 minutes left. We have so about these lows. Seem to have LRL coming down, leading us to that 15-minute, which is some nice stacked highs for us to run. ES also have a lot of stacked highs there. So about this low. This is not really much today. Yeah, we have something on the 1 minute time frame leading us up into this 15-minute unmitigated. So I guess in theory we could target, but I would like some sort of higher time frame delivery on NQ. And we just don't have anything other than this 4-hour resting below. And we're already in this 1 hour gap, but we're starting to disrespect that. But we'll see if market open will give us the volume we need. We did take this low already, so maybe off the open I'd want to see us inverse this. That's because we have some draws higher. Do have some draws higher. What did I mark out? Jeez. You have a little bit of draws higher, so we'll see. Now, before I forget, let me go back to MNQ. Like what? Let me go back to M&Q before I forget. About 19 seconds until market open. Market is beginning to dump. Yeah, I was just about to say I don't expect much to be happening here. Oh, that's what I marked out. Bro, maybe I need to get off the charts, bro, because I'm pretty tired today. So let me lock in. We have no higher time frame delivery, no 15-minute gap that we're rejecting off of, no 30, but we already in versus hourly, but still have opportunity to flip. There's no 4-hour. The only higher time frame draw we're going for is this LRL coming down, leading us into that 15-minute gap. So maybe the trade we can take today, something like this, targeting 1R. Something like that, targeting 1R. But I actually like that setup quite a bit. So we'll see if we can miss the button. Okay, well, took out that internal. The only reason I didn't lose this trade so far is because I missed the button when I went to press it. But let me see. Made equal highs right here. Relative equal highs. Hate that rejection we got out of that. We'll probably take these. Or not? Like, what the fuck? What? Oh my gosh, bro. What is going on? Fuck it, we're going break even. We're gonna buy, so we need to sell. I don't know what's going on, bro. That's stupid, bro. What the fuck's going on? Trade so late, bro. Why is my positioning so late, dog? What the fuck? Bro, like, we were supposed to hit TP, bro. It didn't fill me till all the way up there, bro. I wanted to enter this position right here. Like this, targeting 1R. And then it didn't fill me all the way till like up here or something stupid, bro. I don't even know, dog. Like, my trades are getting filled all late and shit. Internet sucking. I think that was our trade right there. I mean, shit, for anybody who caught that, hey, W trade, bro. I guess my computer didn't want to work. My computer ain't trying to work today. Yeah, my computer ain't trying to work today. That's bogus. I watched the film back. Let me watch the film and I'll see what the fuck that was about. Still have this 15-minute gap. Like I said, if we do break this 15-minute gap, I believe that we're going to continue up towards that 4-hour high right there. But let me watch the film, bro. That's stupid as fuck. I indeed watched the film. I definitely clicked the button right here. I don't know why it didn't fill me until price pumped all the way up. Price isn't even that volatile. I don't know why it did it so late. But I mean, I only went one contract, so even if we did end up getting it, we wouldn't have made damn near anything at all. But like, I gotta remember, like, on these trades that are a lot shorter, we gotta go heavier on them, like 3 contracts. Like anything less than 100 ticks, bro, we gotta go like 3 cons or something. But everything was moving so fast, bro. I obviously didn't think about that. Yeah, gotta go like 3 cons. But it's fine. Wouldn't have made damn near anything on that anyway. But it's kind of annoying still how bogus that was. That was bogus as fuck. But either way, like I said, if we hit that 15-minute gap and we reject it, we're going to be bearish. But if we break through it, then we'll be bullish. Reason why I'm not looking for any shorts here, this is a protected low right here. This low is in theory protected, so that's why I'm not looking for any sells coming down here. There's no low resistance liquidity to lead us down to this draw. So we'll probably be done for the day. Yeah, I'm so tired, bro. But we'll probably be done for the day. ES is extremely choppy. NQ has nothing else for me to target for the day. And I'm not a fan of targeting these highs right here because it's just a dead high. Like, there's just nothing to get us up there. Same thing with the 15 minutes, a high resistance draw. Then we have nothing to draw towards on the lower time frame either. People be like, London lows, bro. Like, dude, I don't even have London lows on my chart, bro. I don't even have those. It's just a time period, bro. Price isn't going to draw towards London lows unless there's some reasoning for us to go down there. So just because this is London low right here, which is what I'm assuming it to be just because of the time. Just because London low is right here doesn't mean price is going to draw to London low just because it's London low. No. Price draws towards low resistance liquidity, equal highs, data lows, etc., etc. Price doesn't draw to a session high or low just because it's a session high or low. No. Doesn't happen. Doesn't happen. That's why I don't have London lows on my chart. That's why I don't have Asia highs, Asia lows on my chart. Because price isn't going to draw to those lows unless it's supposed to. Unless they have LRL leading down towards those lows. Simple. Now, I mean, I guess now we just kind of wait. I'm not taking any freaking trades, but price is more than likely going to inverse this 15-minute gap. More than likely, we're going to come up, take out this high, and then we're going to come up, take out this high because that's a domino effect. And then the next high resistance target is going to be this 4-hour external high. So overall, that's if we inverse this 50-minute gap, of course. That's what I would anticipate the market to then do next. And so I anticipate the market to do next. If we're going to be bullish, of course. But I'm probably going to be over here at like 9. I got to go to Atlanta today or elsewhere today. So I'm tired and I don't have any of my stuff ready to be packed. And chances are I'm not going to be uploading any videos while in Atlanta. So I have a mosquito bite on my neck, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, definitely not going to be doing any videos while in Atlanta. So if you guys see the names at the top of the screens, those are my socials. I don't really use TikTok. I guess I'm shadow banned. It is so random and it makes zero sense. I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what to do. It makes 0 sense, but I posted TikTok videos daily. I posted like 4 daily and all of them have 0 views. So I just gave up on it. Like, why the fuck are my shits getting 0 views? My videos are not that bad. They're getting 0 views. I've never heard of that before. So So yeah, while I'm telling you guys this, I'm currently deleting all the videos because we at least gotta have a fresh page and stuff. And then videos that are shadow banned. I don't even know what shadow ban means. Yeah, there's really no point for us to be on here right now. I'm just taking up space on my computer. ES is making new lows. There's no LRL leading us down to this high, so, or leading us down to that low. So that's why I'm not interested in those setups. Now, if we could generate some, that'd be nice, but I'm definitely not a fan of anything. For my contact. Worse. Motherfucker never loved us. Motherfucker never loved us. You ain't know, now you know now. Worse. Alright. Now we kind of have a little bit of LRL. Kind of have a little bit of LRL. Maybe we generate it all the way. Maybe we generate some LRL the entire way up to these highs and then catch a sell maybe. I don't know. I don't even have time for it, bro. I don't even got time for it. I gotta be out of here by like 11. I gotta be on the road by 11, 12 o'clock. One is pushing it. One is really pushing it. You ain't know, now you know now. Worse. So if anybody's gonna be questioning why I kind of went break even so early as well, because I get a lot of comments on this shit. For one, nigga, my trade got filled so damn late, and I entered where I wanted my take profit to be, for one, and then for two, we ran the entire leg of the LRL. Like, we ran every bit of the low resistance liquidity. That was my target right there. I wanted to take this trade long right after we pumped up there. I tried to take it the first time, but it didn't work. And I wanted to go break even at the LRL and then target 1 hour past that. That never happened because I got filled at my take profit. And I got filled like 10 seconds after I clicked the button, bro. So, yeah, we'll be off of here at 9 o'clock, though. We'll be off here at 9 o'clock. We are starting to generate some nice stacked lows. Tapping into nothing. But overall, the draw is higher. Remember? Motherfucker. Remember? Motherfucker never loved us. Actually, no, I don't want to waste my entire day. We're off of here. I'll see you guys come Friday, hopefully.